So if you haven't heard yet, let me be the first one to tell you that there is a network marketing opportunity out there where you could actually earn over $2,000 a month with no recruiting. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to put you on something that a lot of people are talking about, a lot of people are getting involved with, and you actually can get involved with it today. So right now, as I'm making this video, there is a new network marketing company out there that is blowing up. Like, I've honestly never seen so many network marketers get involved with an opportunity. Like, for real, this is crazy. So if you're not familiar with what LiveGood is, they are a health and wellness supplement company that just launched their network business opportunity. So why so many people are going crazy over LiveGood is because of its low startup costs and huge earning potential. So to get started with LiveGood, right, it's only a one-time fee of $50. That's it, one-time fee of $50 and only $9.95 a month. That's it. So for $9.95 a month, you have your own online business that you can make pretty much unlimited earning potential if you're willing to put the work in. So let me just break down the $50 fee. All right. So to be a member of LiveGood is $9.95 a month. This allows you to get high quality supplements at a very, very discounted price. All right. Kind of like a Sam's Club membership or Costco or any other kind of membership site that allows you to get discounts as a member. Now, for those people that actually want to build a business with LiveGood and start building a monthly income, you need to become an affiliate. To become an affiliate, that's where the one-time $40 fee comes into play. So when you initially join LiveGood, you got your $40 affiliate fee and your first month as a LiveGood member. So I'm gonna be completely honest with you, right? This opportunity is super dope to me because especially I'm in the health and wellness industry. I got my own fitness channel and everything. So I'm really feeling, promoting high quality supplements. But to really get a crazy income with LiveGood, you need to be a promoter. You need to get out there and recruit people to this opportunity, which is right now a damn good opportunity, but you really need to get out here and come out with a strategy that you feel comfortable using with to get people to your LiveGood opportunity. Because in my opinion, if you can get people to the LiveGood business and they can see the opportunity, a lot of people will join this opportunity. But one thing that is being talked about a lot when it comes to LiveGood, a lot of people are promoting the aspect of you can actually earn an income of $2,000 a month, little over $2,000 a month, by never ever recruiting anybody. So how is this possible? Well, as the company grows and more people comes into LiveGood, they can only come in underneath somebody, right? So the more people that come in, you're gonna have all of these, what they call the matrix, right? It gets filled up, right? So the more people come in, it's gonna eventually start creating, in the network marketing world, they call spillover. So like, for example, if I'm building a team, right? And I'm just getting people, my team is filling up, right? And you come in underneath me, you're on my team. And eventually my stuff is going to be filled. So when my matrix is filled, where are new people going to come that come to my team? They're going to start dripping down into your team, right? And even if you lazy as hell and you ain't even doing nothing, all you doing is paying your $9.95 monthly fee. That's all you doing, right? You should be buying some products too, you know what I'm saying? Repping, getting your health right. But just say you ain't into none of it. You just paying you're just gambling a little bit, right? You pay your $10 a month, you don't do nothing, and you just start to notice, like, wait a minute, man, I'm getting $50 a month, $200 a month, $300 a month, right? And you're like, where's this coming from? Spillover, right? It's very, very possible for this to happen as this company grows. So let me make this clear. Is it actually possible? Is it real that you could earn over $2,000 by joining this company and doing absolutely nothing? Yes, it is possible. But if I were you and you're serious about, making money and residual income and really doing big things, I wouldn't count on that, because there is a chance that it doesn't happen. Because if you come into this with the idea of, I'm just going to sit back and wait for my $2,000 to kick in, right? Yeah, you could do that, but you're really just counting on a lot of people to do a lot of work, and you're just kind of hoping that everybody comes in and everybody's just grinding but you, and you're just sitting back and waiting for the money to come in. Now, you can do that, or you can be proactive, put that work in, right? And really increase your chances to make $4,000 a month, $8,000 a month, up to $16,000 a month from this opportunity. So this is what makes LiveGood so exciting, because it's pretty much giving anybody the opportunity to make some nice monthly income, whether it be on the low $2,000 a month all the way up to over $16,000 a month. It gives people that opportunity. This is why everybody is joining LiveGood right now, right? I ain't gonna lie, I'd rather have people on my LiveGood team that has the go-getter mindset. I want people on my team that actually is like, man, 2,000 cool, right? 2,000 cool, but I want to grind. I want to grow a huge LiveGood business, right? I want life-changing money. That is, what I want on the team. But hey, if you watching this and you just like, yo, I saw your video, I like the idea of doing nothing, and earning $2,000, you more than welcome to join. You know what I'm saying? To sit back and hopefully you can get to that $2,000 a month by doing nothing. But either way, you can check out the LiveGood opportunity and everything it has to offer by clicking the first link in the description of this video. And I will see you on the team.